Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to add a row to a table in Word document. So let's start this in my Word document and you can see here the one table. So here I'm going to add the row. Just simply select the any cell and right click of the mouse, then click on the insert option and you can see here the insert row above and insert row below. So select the option those you required. So if you want to insert row above, just click on the insert row above. So one row is inserted in above side. Okay, the second way, just click on the outside of the table of the first row and just press the enter key to add row. You can see the row is added. Okay, and the third way, you can see when you keep cursor on the outside line, there is a showing the one plus sign. When you click on this plus sign, the row is added quickly. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.